Hi friends, do you want to make cool videos with green skin? Today I will show you easy step to use green skin with your video like a pro. Let's start. Step number 1. Set up your green skin. First, set up your green skin. Make sure your cloth is smooth and has no weakness. The lighting should be even, no dark spot and shadow. This helps the software remove the green skin better, like this. Step number 2. Input video clips. Next, open Premiere Pro and input your videos with the green skin and the background videos. Drag both clips to your timelines. Here is the green skin video and here is the background video. I will increase the background video scale to fix the frame size. Go to Effect Control and increase the scale value. Then move to the green skin video. Step number 3. Use Alt key. Now go to Effect Control panels and search for Alt key and drag it into your green skin clips. Then go to Effect Control panels. Use the eyedropper to click on the green skin part of the video. And boom, the green skin part has gone. Step number 4. Clean the edge. After that, your video may still looks a little rough. No problem. Under Alt key setting, go to Matte, Clean Up. Change the setting like Cook, Soften and Shadow to make it looks clean. It's perfect. It has totally removed the green skin. Step number 5. Add background. Now add your background video or image below the green skin clips. You can raise or move the person to fit the scene. Go to position and move it. Select the green skin video clips and go to the position and move it. I think that looks good to fit the position. Step number 6. Add light and shadow. Then make it look real and light or shadow. Use Luminosity color to match color with the background. This helps the person feel like they are really inside the scene. Change the shadow part of this. Decrease the shadow, contrast and black. Now it looks good. If I play the video, you will see. Finally, now you know how to use green skin like a pro. Try this step and tell me how it goes. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.